my god, so I was watching that channel on YouTube. What is it called? 5-minute craft or 5-second craft, something like that, and they were showing like some makeup hacks, right? There's one of them that I really want to try, and it's using your liquid lipstick like as eyeliner. So like you match your lipstick with your eyeliner and maybe you're close to. I'm a person that loves to match, so I want to try to see if it's even possible for me to like pull it off. I have this lipstick here. I thought maybe it would match my shirt a bit, and if you like these like trying makeup hacks, makeup tricks, then give this video a thumbs up. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jenz BeautyStyle. I decided to use a matte liquid lipstick because I don't know, I just don't want like a shiny line on my eyes. That's just me. So I'm using this one from Maybelline. It's the Super Stay Matte Ink. I thought it would be really good because I have used this before on my lips and it really stays, and you don't want your eyeliner moving either, right? For brush, I thought I'd use this one from Zoeva. It's called the Spot Liner, and I have just a couple here like backups maybe for like the wing and stuff. So let's go ahead and get started and see what happens. This is the color Artist, so I'm just gonna put some like in the back of my hand here like that. I'll take a generous amount. Just gonna do this slowly because I need to concentrate. I'm gonna dab my brush. Let's see what happens. I'm just gonna try to do the wing, and please be careful, these are your eyes, so just be sure that whatever you're using is okay. I'm just trying at my own risk, but be careful. Oh my god, that was like a bit thick. So that wasn't bad. I'm actually so happy. I can't wait to like put lashes and stuff to see the final look, and with the lips. And look, it's matching the shirt really good. But again, be careful if you do this. For the wing, it wasn't my favorite. I want to like clean it up here with an even smaller brush. Whoa, what was that? Oh, Jesus. I don't want to like smudge this too much because I'm telling you, oh my god, that wing is so long. Do you know what? It's gonna stay like that. This eye is gonna be a bit harder because I'm a lefty. Look at that. You want something that's like a lipstick that's nicely pigmented. I suck at eyeliner anyway, so why am I surprised? Follow that rule. If you mess up your liner, leave it like that. If you continue to mess with it, you're just gonna make it worse. Alright, I'm gonna put the lashes on and I'll be right back. I quickly want to show you what it looks with lashes and without a lash. Apply this beautiful lipstick. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I love this color so much. If only I was brave enough to wear it out. So as we see, it definitely works, and if you suck at it first, just keep trying. Makeup is supposed to be fun. Don't forget to subscribe, click the little notification bell, that way you'll be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.